Imagine being able to integrate, analyze, and report on all your data sources from one easy-to-use interface. Any vendor, any technology, whether business data or IT performance data, you name it. You can. Welcome to Performance Surveyor, brought to you by TeamQuest Corporation. This short instructional video will show you how to log into the Performance Surveyor end-user interface, locate the report or view that you want. These can be out-of-the-box or custom reports developed for you by TeamQuest Global Services or by your own TeamQuest application administrator. Select your reporting criteria, generate a report, and export a report to 2 different formats. But first, a little more about what Performance Surveyor can do for you. Performance Surveyor is a component of the TeamQuest Surveyor product. Performance Surveyor helps you incorporate IT performance and capacity data with business-driven data, providing a truly integrated, enterprise-wide reporting solution. This rich web application uses powerful, modular analytics to automatically analyze the data, then report meaningful intelligence back to you. On top of extensive automation capabilities, Performance Surveyor's end-user interface allows you to select from a variety of report templates, also known as views, and reporting options, instantly generating the report you want to see now. Let's take a look. Open a browser and log into Performance Surveyor using the URL, username, and password provided to you by your TeamQuest application administrator. The end-user interface is displayed. Through this one-stop dashboard, you have access to all the reports you need, whether that be business data, service-level data, or server performance data. Several folders or categories are displayed on your left. You may not have access to all the categories shown here, or you may have additional categories available. The important thing to know is that a category is a collection of views. You can expand each category to see the views that are available to you. And what is a view? Views are the basis of reports. Each view contains all the information Performance Surveyor needs to generate one or more reports. At a minimum, a report needs to have one or more metrics associated with it, a system or object, or a group of systems or objects, and a time interval. To open a view, simply select it in the Views pane. Then you can double-click it, right-click and select Open, or you can click the Open button in the View Details pane below. Depending on how a view is configured, you can create many different reports from each view. For example, this view offers options for pulling in data from different systems and time intervals, among other options. The Group at System list box allows you to narrow down the list of systems to report on to only those in a particular group. Then the System drop-down list updates on the fly, allowing you to select which specific system to report on. This view also allows you to select from a list of predefined time intervals. Here, the default metric is CPU utilization, but you can chart any available metric just by navigating through the folder structure. Double-click the top folder to go up a level. Double-click any other folder to see the available metrics. If you prefer, you can also navigate to metrics from the top down by clicking the green pencil icon to the left of the metric field. Whichever method you use, the same metrics are available. If summary data is available for the report selections you have made, you may be able to select the type of summary data you want to view. The options available depend on the types of summary data in the database. When all the required report specifications are selected, you can generate the report. After you generate a report, 2 additional options are available. You can export a report to an Adobe PDF or Microsoft Word document by clicking the buttons that appear next to the Generate Report button. Now let's look at another utilization chart, this one for a group of systems. You can use the calendar to select a specific time frame to report on if the predefined intervals do not meet your needs. You can select a group, then report on all the systems in that group simultaneously. Sometimes Performance Surveyor needs to conduct a discovery to see what options to make available to you in a view. In this example, you have to select the metric before the list of instances is populated. After you select a metric that is related to disks, the available disks and the sum total of all disks are available for selection in the instances list. If you select a different metric, different instances are listed, whatever is relevant for that metric. Views can even be set up so that no inputs are required at all. Simply click Generate and view the output that has already been customized to your needs. Performance Surveyor is even more powerful than that. Performance Surveyor has extremely flexible and configurable reporting options, ensuring that you can report exactly the data you need, regardless of the data source. If you have specific report requirements that are not being met, discuss them with your TeamQuest application administrator. Your admin can adjust an existing view or create a new customized view for you. And if you find yourself manually generating the same reports over and over, talk to your admin about Performance Surveyor's automatic report publication capabilities. As you can see, the power and flexibility of Performance Surveyor are supported with an intuitive, easy-to-use dashboard that makes reporting a breeze. Need more assistance? Contact TeamQuest support with technical questions, or contact TeamQuest Global Services for advanced training or customization of Performance Surveyor.